Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. It's sunny but it's not that hot, so I can still bear it and fly the EMAX TinyHawk 2 Freestyle. I know this is a kind of late video, but hey, I just got it and I'm gonna fly it right here in this area and see how it goes. If you want to watch the specs, go ahead, check it out. Welcome back. Now that you know the specs of this quadcopter, let's fly and do some FPV freestyling. Now, having to have FPV freestyling quadcopter, you have to install a HD camera on board so you can get a clear, nice HD video to share online. This one does not have an HD camera. Why? I mean, look at this. Even a 65mm tiny whoop, this is Mobile S6 HD, can have an HD camera. Why couldn't you put the same HD camera on this EMAX TinyHawk 2 Freestyle? I mean, really, you could have put that HD camera so we could just insert a TF card and get an HD video, clear HD video of our FPV freestyling. Now we don't have a choice but to watch the standard definition DVR recording. Anyway, let's see how it performs, and we'll enjoy the DVR video anyway.